Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. Chinese soldiers fired in the air while attempting to close in on Indian positions across the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh on Monday night. The Indian Army said today, adding that Chinese PLA troops has been blatantly violating agreements and carrying out aggressive maneuvers. The firing is apparently taking place on the LAC after a halt of almost 4 decades. In a major success for security forces, Bandipora police arrested 3 terror associates and recovered incriminating materials in Hajan area in Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday. Sources that Hajan police station received information from reliable sources that some miscreants at the behest of local active terrorists of Lashkar-e-Toiba had hoisted Pakistani flags at Hajan's main market with an aim to create fear, psychosis and incite anti-national feeling among the common people of Hajan. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah, his son Omar Abdullah and other senior party leaders and workers on Tuesday paid floral tributes and offered Fatiha at the graveyard of former Chief Minister Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah on his 38th death anniversary. Meanwhile, former Chief Minister Dr. Abdullah rejected BJP allegations that August 4, 2019 Gupkar declaration was anti-national and said it was Saffron Party and RSS who are implementing communal agenda to divide people in the country for political benefit.
अच्छी तरह से पूरा बयान किया। नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में कभी भी मजहब के नाम पे सियासत नहीं चला।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that the world now pays more attention to India and that its voice is being heard globally. The world is now paying more attention to India and we have strong presence at most global bodies, the Prime Minister said while addressing a book launch event virtually. He also hailed the media for serving people in an unprecedented way by spreading awareness about the coronavirus pandemic and said that like Indian products, the media too needs to go global. Not only Indian products, but India's voice also has become global. Indian media too needs to be global, he said. The Indian Army has decided to motivate and prepare Kashmiri youth for competing in recruitment rallies to become a soldier and serve the nation. The first 2-week pre-recruitment program will be held in Central Kashmir district of Ganderbal, where local youth will be guided and motivated to become soldier and serve the nation. Army's Central Paramilitary Forces are conducting recruitment rallies in the Kashmir Valley, which evokes massive response from local youths despite threat perception. The authorities in Poonch district on Tuesday closed the Deputy Commissioner's office as 15 employees have tested positive for fatal coronavirus. Recently, a sampling was conducted for office and reports were received, after which 15 officials of various sections have been tested positive. They said that as a precautionary measure, the DC office has been closed and sanitization has been started. Glaciers in Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh are melting at a significant rate according to a first-of-its-kind study which used satellite data to find that over 1,200 glaciers in the Himalayan region saw an annual reduction in mass of 35 centimeters on average between 2000 and 2012. The study, published in the journal Scientific Reports, was carried over the Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh region, including areas across the line of control and line of actual control, and in all, 12,243 glaciers were studied for thickness and mass changes. Melting of the glaciers in Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh is going to impact the water, food and energy security with the consequent adverse effect on the dependent livelihoods. The casual laborers and need-based workers of various departments held a protest demonstration in support of their long-pending demands in Jammu on Tuesday. They alleged that a large number of workers are without wages, many of them have turned over age and they have their families to support. Under such circumstances, they will not be able to feed their families. Many of them are facing starvation. The second surface corridor between Jammu and Kashmir and the rest of the country was restored on Tuesday with the reopening of the Atal Setu bridge connecting the Union Territory with the neighbouring Punjab. Since the beginning of the ongoing pandemic, the only surface corridor between J&K and Punjab was the Lakhanpur Bridge. Atal Setu bridge connects Pathankot with Kathua district of J&K. The bridge was closed after the lockdown was imposed in March this year because of the pandemic. The district administration Samba has placed Dr. Anil, posted in emergency ward of District Hospital Samba, under suspension with immediate effect for dereliction of duty, and an inquiry has been set up which will be conducted by SDM Gagwal Ramkesh Sharma in an incident when a lady, after denial of admission in the hospital, was forced to deliver the child on road.
ये कि जो दिखाया गया है कि डिलीवरी जो हॉस्पिटल में प्रेग्नेंट लेडी आई थी और उसके बाद उसकी डिलीवरी जो है वो कहीं रोड साइड हो गई हॉस्पिटल के बाहर ही। तो उसमें मैं तो अभी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बता पाऊँगा, सिर्फ इतना है कि इंक्वायरी कमेटी जो है वो बैठी हुई है।
The Shiv Sena Dogra Front, a local political outfit, on Tuesday staged a protest in Jammu against the aggressive maneuvers by Chinese troops in eastern Ladakh. The protesters, led by SSTF chairman Ashok Gupta, were seen smashing Chinese President Xi Jinping's pictures with shoes and raising slogans against the country.
Hi, hi, China! Hi, hi, China! Hi, hi, Jinping! Hi, hi, Jinping! Hi, hi, Jinping! Hi, hi, China!
Narcotics Control Bureau on Tuesday arrested Riya Chakrabarti, the prime accused in the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, for procuring and consuming drugs. The arrest comes after 3 days of the questioning by the NCB. Chakrabarti was being questioned over drug abuse case in connection with the death of Rajput on June 14th. The NCB had questioned Chakrabarti for about 8 hours on Monday and 6 hours on Sunday.